Hey, it's Jim Ed with the Improvement Channel. Today we are checking out these traffic cones. These are full-size traffic cones in this little bitty spot, easily stored in the trunk, and that's really where you should keep it. We use these for several different things, and of course, the last of which is in case of an emergency. In case of an emergency, you can pop these things out and you can get people steered away from your flat tire you're trying to repair or whatever you have going on. But let me show you how quick these things set up. Again, they're a nice, good size, and would be a good way to put this behind your vehicle to let people know that, hey, you need to be getting over. You know, we need some room over here. And of course, they collapse back up just as quick as they go together. They come right back apart. Slides right in here, goes right back into the bag, super quick. Another great thing these are for is to store for sports. Like when we're out here coaching around, like this right here is my shot right here. I like to pull right up here to the top of the box and shoot. These are great for that. You can have them running around, running different patterns. Like when you want kids to do layups, a lot of times they want to come in right down the middle, but you want them to make sure and go around this so that they come in at the proper angle to the goal. So many things. The last thing I'm going to show you here is this right here is where we practice the parallel park. All right, so through the magic of the cordless mic here, you can hear me in the car. I pull up past the space, and then you just simply back in, cut it deep, straighten it back out. And that's how we do it. Easy as can be. And of course, these are great to mark hazards. This right here has got about an 18-inch drop off on each side. And when you've got people coming over that's not familiar with the area, I like to put these out just so people kind of keep it between the ditches. It really can easily mark out hazards and important things you want people to pay attention to. So in conclusion, it doesn't matter if you're RVing, you're camping, you're running drills with the kids, or you're just marking hazards, or just being precautious, being safe, storing these in your vehicle in case there is an emergency where you're trying to fix a flat or something like that. These cones are so nice just from the sheer fact of them being so easy to store. I used to work at a synthetic grass company, and they had these on the back of their trailers, but they just took up a ton of room, like the regular cones. But they are so crucial if you're parking, you know, on the side of the road temporarily to keep your vehicles from getting hit. Very, very useful product. The nice thing is just it stores so easily. And I mean, in the short time that I've just been talking about this here, I've already got it all stored up, ready to go. Put it back here in the side of my trunk, and we'll use it for whatever we need it for next.